Namaste all dear viewers, learners and my well-wishers. Here I'm going to explain things of the topic of indices from grade 8 compulsory mathematics. First here I start with the short and very short questions. So here goes. First number. So they said write the following in the exponential form by using the index notation. So what is here? Number 1. Here 3 is getting multiplied for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? So this we have to write 3 raised to the power or index or exponent 4. Right? And the next second number 81 is there and we break it. So 81 you can break it. How we can break it? Is it? Let's see. So by 3 we get divided. 3 27 81 you get, 3 9s are 27 you get, and 3 3s are 9 you get. So it's very same. There you see 3 how many times? Is it 1 2 3 4? Is it? So this we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Is it? So it's also getting same 3 raised to the power 4. So how we write by raising? Is it that we call power or index or we call it exponent, right? Okay, so number 1 is done, and now number B we go. One number A first and second is done. Number B now. So this is write the following in the product form. Is it? So you have to break it and you have to write in product form. So 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Is it? 2 into 2 4, and again into 2 8, and a cube is a multiplying 3 times a into a into a into a. Is it? So a cube is done with writing in product form. Now 6 power 4, so it's multiplying 6 for 4 times. Is it? So we write here 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Sorry. And now in number C, so this is what is an index definite. So in above example we have seen in the first and second, so any number when it is multiplied with the same number, but how many times, right? So that number of times we raise as the power, is it? And that we call it index, right? So you can say there for this number C, right? So number of times for multiplying any number or variable. It may be number or it may be alphabetical uh, numerals. Is it A B C D X Y Z? A B C D E F G as they may call coefficients, and W X Y Z, is it? Then we call variables. So number of times we're multiplying any number with any number or variable. Is it? Any number or variable with same number same number or variable is called index or power or exponent, and it's written by raising bit upward, just like here in this example. So 3 has been multiplied for 4 times and it written by raising power 4 like this. Is it? So that we call index or exponent or power, right? Okay, so number C we understood number C. Now we go with number D. Let's say here. So here we are said to multiply, right? Here is this first. Okay, so number D we are going. So in the first number there is said to multiply x cube and x power 2x. Is it? So in the first x raised with power 3 and then second x raised with power 2x. So what we have to do here is those two powers we have to get added, right? So x power 3 plus 2x. Is it? So the reason is, if x power n and x power n, these are multiplying, they are having same base, then their powers will get added. So this is the reason for which their powers will get added. Now second number also same. So there in the number second, 8 power 2a into 2 power 3 is there. So here we are not finding same base, is it? So let's turn it in the same base first. So 8 is 2 multiplying 3 times, is it? So in place of 8 you can keep here 2 cube and whole power 2 is there, and into 2 power 3a. Alright, and now here's being power of the power, is it? So 2 raised with power, and this whole term 2 cube is raised with the power 2a. And in such case what we do here is we get the powers multiplied, right? And rule is over here, x power m whole power n if existing, then their powers will get multiplied, m into n we get. So that we have used here, is it? So 2 power 3 is same we copy, and now 3 into 2 is 6a, you get 2 power 6a, and 2 power 3a is there, and I have base is same, is it? So we get their powers added, and through that we get the 2 power 9a. That's it, is it? So we did with number D of this first number. Now we go with number E. So I wrote this. Okay, number E now. So there is a divide, right? So first number, 2 power 3x by 2 power x is there. So when two terms will get divided with the same base, then the rule is their powers will get subtracted, right? So x power m divided by x power n if there, so it will become here x power m minus n. That is the rule for the indices. So same we do here. So 2 power 3x minus x we have to do, right? And that we get 2 power 2x. So it's of the number first. Now we go with the number second. And in the number second there is 2 power, sorry, there is 4 power 2x divided by 4 power 3x, right? So what happens here is that division sign we write by using over sign. So 4 power 2x over 4 power 3x, or you can say 4 power 2x divided by 4 power 3x, and our concept is very same, right? Here terms are getting divided, and now we have to subtract the power. And while we subtracting, here we can go with two-way, right? So very fast way I do here with the same concept which we do just for the rule of division. Here divided, so power will get subtracted, and I bring above here with neglecting which is greater, right? So through that we get there 4 power minus x. So 3x is greater, so when we subtract, is it minus, we have to keep, and there has come negative power, right? So for the negative power is the rule is, so we remove the negative power by reciprocating it. So x power minus m, we remove its negative power by making reciprocal. So x power m we write, but we write by using reciprocal, is it? So for this 4 power minus x, we can write there 1 by 4 power x. The first way is this, is it? And instead of that we can do with one another way, is it? So we should see here another method, right? So another way how we do is 4 power 2x by 4 power 3x we got, is it? So this is the same which I've copied here. And now after that what we do is it, we see which is the greater one, and on that side we send for subtracting, right? So you see there power greater is the existing 3x which is down mean which is in the denominator, is it? So we have to bring down for subtracting the power. So 4 power 3x minus 2x. So above, power above or power in numerator is there 2x, so that will bring down. Alright, and now what we have to keep something above is 1. Right, so if already some value is there in numerator, so same value will be kept, is it? Just like a power, if there was a into 4 power 2x by a 4 power 3x was there, so what we do here, so 4 power that 2x, which is smaller one, we bring down for subtracting, and above there is still remaining a, is it? This a is remaining above, so that a we would keep, is it? But here we see nothing above, is it? So just we brought 4 power 2x whole down, is it? So its power gets subtracted and above nothing, so above we have to keep here 1. So that thing should be kept in the mind, that what we have to deal with this when nothing is there above. Alright, and then 1 divided by 4 power x we get at the result. Right, so I made it clear with number E, is it? And now we go with number F. Alright, so here in F, what's it say? Write the product of a power m and a power n index form. So we have already discussed about, so a power m into a power n dot also is used for symbolizing the product. Right, so it will get the a power m plus n, is it? If terms are getting multiplied with the same base, power will be added, so same we have to say here. Now in number G, right, what is the value of ax whole power 0, is it? So for any base, if its power is 0, its value will become 1. So ax whole power 0, its value you can say here 1. Alright, and now in number H, why a power 0 is 1, justify with the suitable example is said. So for this I erase first this thing what I have done above. Okay, so number H, so we have to prove this a power 0 equal to 1, is it? And with suitable example, with that we have to justify. Right, so I would like to go in reverse order. Right, so 1 will be a power 0. How will it be possible? I'll show that. Right, so here I take with the right side, so 1 I'm taking, so 1 you can say as division of the same number with same, is it? 5 by 5 is 1, or x by x is 1, or with the power x square by x square is 1, or a power 5 by a power 5 is 1. So any example, any instant you can take. I'm taking here a power 5, so a power 5 if we get divided by same a power 5, then it is 1, is it? And now here applying the laws of indices, so here raised with the power 5 in both numerator and denominator, so it must that they will get subtracted, is it? And then 5 minus 5, that is 0. So this way we get here 1 equal to a power 0, is it? So therefore a power 0 equal to 1 proved. Okay, so I'm done with letting you understand this number 1, and I go with number 2, and for that I erase this. So one number is done. Now we're going with number 2. So you need to keep in mind that some very basic rules of the indices. If terms are getting multiplied, power we have to add. If terms are getting divided, powers will get subtracted. And if the power is maintaining their power, we have to uh, multiply, is it? And if any base is there and its power is 0, its value is 1. And there is another thing for a base 0, if their power is 0, that will be some another term, another value, which is beyond of the course of grade 8, is it? So that you'll be learning in higher level of stress of math, so I'm not going to discuss for that 0 power 0. Right? Okay, so now we go with number 4. Sorry, number 2 I go. Okay, so what's here this thing? So you're in number 2, a number. What say you see? So the question is what? Write whether the following statements are true or false. It says product of 4x and 4x is 44x square. That's very wrong. Is it? 4 into 4 you get there 16, and x into x you'll get x square. So x square right, but 44 is wrong. So it's false. And now B number. They said the quotient of 9 power x by 3 power x is 3. Let's check whether it will be right or wrong. So divide mean 9 power x by 3 power x, and now 9 is 3 square whole power x and 3 power x. So power of the power will get multiplied, 2x you get, and below there is 3 power x. So as they are getting divided, so powers will get subtracted, so it will give you 3 power x. Is it? So it's there written there 3 only, that is why it's also false. Is it? And now number C, the value of any base raised to the 0 power is 1. So that's true. It is true. And the relation a power m minus n equal to 1 by a power m minus n is correct. So it's wrong, because a power m minus, if it's there, then when we bring down, sign should be changed, and there should be minus m minus n, and it would turn a power minus m plus n. So this will give you a power n minus m, is it? But there is given m minus n again, so it's false. So number 2 is done, and now we go with number 3. So let's erase this. Okay, so we go with number 3. I go with 3 number here from A to D first. Sorry. Okay, so what say do you see? Ring the correct answer. You have to put your ring on the correct answer. So 3 power 2a into 3 power 3 is here. Is it? So it will become what? Power will get added. So 2a plus 3 you get there 5a. Is it? So the correct answer is this number 3. Is it? Okay, that's the correct answer. Is it? And now what is the value of 2x squared by a whole power 0? So here is whole power 0. So whatever value is inside of the base, in the base, it won't matter. Its value will be 1. And then next, what is the value of 2x power 0 plus 3? Is it? So there x power 0. X power 0 is 1, and plus 3 is there. So 2 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2, and plus 3, that is 5. So the correct answer is this. And then next is there which one of the correct value is of 3 into x power 0 minus a power 0. So 3 into x power 0 is 1, and minus a power 0 is also 1. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. So correct value is 2. So up to D number we get to do this. Is it? Now from E onward, let's go. Okay, number E. Okay, there's the meaning of E, F, G, H. Okay, so what's said in E number C? Which one of the correct value of 9x power 2? Is it? So here square root of 9 will become 3, and square root of x square will become x, so 3x, that is this. Is it? And what is the, which is the exponent form of minus 2a, minus 2 and minus 2a? So here minus 2a getting multiplied for 3 times. Is it? So you may go first to multiply, and then what product will get there, you multiply with the last one. Is it? So minus 2a into minus 2a, that I deal with first. Is it? Minus 2a into minus 2a. So minus minus plus you get 2 into 2 4 you get, and a into a you get the a square, and into minus 2a. So 4 into minus 2 minus 8 you get, and a squared into a you get there a cubed. That's it. So the correct answer is minus 8a cubed. And okay, here written in form of the exponent, so that was not the thing which is pretty here as answer. So minus 2a into minus 2 into minus 2, it is getting minus 2a multiplied for 3 times. Is it? So question is expecting answer this one. Is it? Now G number, what is the value of 3 power 2x into 3 power 3x into 1 by 3 power x? Is it? So for first two terms, these two, is it? So there 3 power 2x plus 3x will become, is it? And into 3 power x is there, is it, by which it's getting divided. You can say by writing like this. So 3 power 5x above, and below there is 3 power x, and now these are getting divided, so powers will get subtracted. So through that you get the 3 power 4x. So we see here 3 power x in the second number, so let's circle it. Is it? And the H number, what is the value of a plus b whole square when a is 2 and b is 1? So a plus b whole square, is it? So a there is 2 and b there is 1, so 2 plus 1 whole square, so it is 3 square. So 3 square means 3 into 3, that is 9, is it? So this way we get this number 3, and now we go with number 4, is it? Okay, so I read this first. Okay, I go with number 4 and 5 here. Sorry. Okay, what's said here? Let's see. So they said rewrite the following without using the radical sign. So which root sign you see that we call a radical sign, and we have to write these by removing them. Right, number 4 a. So there is square root 9, is it? So square root 9 means 9 is here product of 3 and 3, and square root, if there we have to write single number or single whole number or single literal value, is it, for pair of two same numbers when they got multiplied. Right, so here 3 is getting multiplied with 3, a pair is there, or 2 times they are getting multiplied, so 1 time we have to write, right? So it is 3. And in number B there is cube root of 27. So here 3 is getting multiplied for 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3 we do have, is it? So when cube root is there for a pair of 3 same factors, is it? For a pair of 3 same factors, it may be quotient, it may be variable, is it? So when cube root is done, so 1 time we'll write for 3 times of the product of same number or variable. So here 3 getting multiplied 3 times, is it? So cube root will be only single 3. And number C, so there is fifth root of 32, is it? So when fifth root is taken, so for 5 times product of the same number or variable, we have to write this once, right? So here 32 is that and 32 root 52 we do have, is it? So 52 is how many times of product of 2, so it's 5 times, like 2 16 32, 2 8 16, 2 4 8, and 2 2 4. So we get here how many times 6? Let's count there, 1 2 3 4 5, is it? So let's multiply here, 1 2 3 4 and 5, is it? So the thing is what, there 2 getting multiplied for 5 times, and it's fifth root, is it? So 1 time we have to write. So we're done with number 4, and now we go number 5. So what's said in number 5? Let's see. So in 5, rewrite the following by using the radical sign, right? So it's of the reverse form, right? So if x is having mth root, right? So x power 1 by m you have to write. This is the rule to do, right? Now we make reverse of it, right? So reverse in sense of what? X power 1 by m if there, right? If it's there, x power 1 by m, we have to write m to root of x. So we do this for this ABC, right? So here we are given 3 power 1 by 2 in number A. So there is square root, is it? 1 by 2 power is there, so here root power is 2, is it? So we bring above 2, second root of 3 we write, and the thing is this second root, or we call it square root, that not needed to be written, just simply we write here square root 3, is it? So it's of number A. And now in number B there is a power minus 1 by 3, is it? So first we remove this negative power, right? So for that we bring down for writing positive power, is it? And then 1 divided by, so there is third root, is it? 1/3 is there as a power, so it will be written cube root of A, right? So it's sum number B. And now in number C there is B whole power 2 by 3, is it? So we can write this as the B square whole power 1 by 3. So the rule is what? If there is power of the power, those powers will get multiplied, is it? So we can break power 2 by 3 by writing b square whole power 1 by 3, and now it's getting third root, is it? So you can write there cube root of the b square, is it? So I did with I let you understand with this number 5 and 4. Now we go with 6, from 6 onward. Okay, and number 6, I go with now number 6 and the 7. Okay, so what's written here, let's see. So here in number 6a, right? So they're written 8 power. We have to do simplification here, and power is minus 2 by 3, is it? So let's break this 8 in power of some base, or the smallest base. So it is 2 cubed. 8 is 2 multiplying 3 times, so we can write 8 as 2 cubed, and there is minus 2 by 3 as a whole power again, and it has turned power of the power, so these powers will get multiplied. 2 power 3 into minus 2 by 3 you get, and then you get there, you can get that this 3 cancelled, so we get there 2 power minus 2 only, and negative power we can remove by making reciprocal, is it? So 1 by 2 power 2 you do, and it will give you 1 by 4, is it? It's of A. And very similar with B is there, 27 whole power minus 2 by 3. So 27 you can write down there, make your own bar. Okay, so 27 you can write down 3 cube, and whole power minus 2 by 3 is there, and rule is being same. There is power of the power, so these powers will get multiplied, is it? And then you get the 3 cancel, so 3 power minus 2 you get, and now we remove the negative power by making reciprocal of it, and it will get 1 by 9. 3 square is 9, is it? So B number is done. And now we go with number C. So in number C there is 8 by 27 whole power minus 2 by 3, and when there is the fraction inside of the inside of the base, when power is negative, so another rule is there which will be very effective and which will be very useful. So this one, once we take as rule over here, suppose xy whole power minus m is there, right? So this we need to reciprocate the base, right? So x by y is there, so y by x we do, and power m will become, right? And then so here y by x whole power m you get, is it? So what you have to do here is it? So the thing, same way we just explain right now here, that we do, right? So here 8 by 27 whole power minus 2 by 3 is there, is it? So what we do here is 27 by 8 and whole power 2 by 3 we get, is it? And now 27 by 8 whole power 3, 2 by 3 we did. So with this same rule I mentioned above. And now 27 you can write cube of 3, and 8 you can write cube of 2, and whole power 2 by 3, is it? So once we do that, what are you going to get there? There is power of the power, so those powers will get multiplied. 3 power 3 into 2 by 3 we get, and below there is 2 power 3 whole power 2 by 3, so that also will get multiplied. And you can cancel here 3 and 3, this 3 and 3, is it? So you get the 3 square divided by 2 square, that will give you 9 divided by 4. Sorry. So we done with number 6. Now I go with number 7. So for the side of this, okay, so number 7 now. So write this simplified equivalent expression by using the positive indices only, is it? So number A, x power 3 into x power minus 4 is there, is it? So the very first thing is base is same, so let's get power multiplied, sorry, let's get power added, alright? So x power 3 plus minus 4 you do, so you get there x power 3 minus 4, and that will become here x power minus 1, is it? And then x power minus 1 is 1 by x. And in other way also you can do this, is it? So x cube is same, let's remove the negative power first. So we write there 1 by x power 4 by making reciprocation of the negative power, and then we bring down for dividing, because here greater power is being down in denominator, so we get the power subtracted and we get there 1 by x. So either way you can do for this first number. Now I go with number B. So there is a square x cube, right? Y power minus 2 whole getting divided by b power minus 2, is it? And then x and y power minus 4. So the first thing what we do here is we remove the negative power first, right? And for removing the negative power, if you see the negative power in numerator, bring it down, you turn positive. And if you see negative power down in the denominator, bring above in numerator, and it will turn positive. So it will be very useful to deal with this. So is square already positive there, let's keep at the same place in numerator. And x cube is already positive, let's keep same here. And x below there is down getting divided, is it? So it will come up for getting subtracted, is it? And then y power minus 2, okay, so let's deal with b power minus 2 first. So this b power minus 2, you see we see negative, so let's bring above, is it? And then let's deal with y power minus 2 and y power minus 4. Y power minus 2 you see negative, but it's above in numerator, so bring it down to turn it positive, is it? And y power minus 4 you see down, is it? So bring above to turn it positive, is it? And then we get there a square x power 2 b square, and y power 4 y power 2, they are getting divided, is it? So power will get subtracted. So this way you get there a square b square x square and the y square. So it's some number B, is it? Now after doing number B, now we go with number C. So let's clear this first. Okay, so number C. So they said what? 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 2 into 4 power 0, is it? So 2 power minus 1, as power is negative, we turn into 1 by 2. 3 power minus 2 we turn into 1 by 3 square, and 4 power 0 is 1, is it? So 1 by 2 is same, and 1 by 3 square, 3 square is 9, and down 2 and 9 there are, which is getting multiplied, so 9 2 is 18. That's it for this number C, is it? So up to 7 is done, and now we go for number 8. Okay, let's see what is there in number 8. Okay, so here's 8 number. Sorry. So the first number, A, alright, 3 power 3 into 3 power 4. So question is what? Write in the index notation form. So A number first, alright. So 3 power 3 into 4, 3 power 4. So their powers will get added. So 3 power 7 you get. That's it, is it? And our second number, p cube p power 6. So they are getting multiplied, so power will get added. P power 9 you get. And in number third, same base you can see, 3p minus twice q, is it? So their powers will get added, is it? 3p minus twice q whole power 3 plus 2 plus 6, is it? So you get the 3p minus 2q whole power 11. So a number is done. And I number B, is it? So write in the index notation form. You need to simplify, or you need to calculate the actual value. Just you have to write in index form, right? So here 5a whole square you see, is it? So we remove the whole power. So 5 square, a square you can write down, right? So this is one basic rule. Suppose there is ab whole power m, you can write down as a power m, b power m, and vice versa, right? So b number first, and now b number second is there, 3xy whole power 3. So this you write 3q x cube and y cube, is it? So just writing in the index form. So 3q you need to calculate. If you calculate, it will become the 27, is it? And now in the number 3, 2pqy whole power 2a. So 2 power 2a, is it? p power 2a and q power 2a, then at last y power 2a, is it? So it's a b. And now in number c, there is 2 by 7 whole power 2, is it? So 2 power 2 and 7 power 2 is this, is it? So same like you have to operate like second and third also you can just open. Okay, third number also here how it's done. So 3 power 5 a plus b whole power 5 and whole divided by 2a plus b whole power 5. And if you wish to simplify it, the 3 power 5 is calculatable, so you can calculate that also, but they said just to write in index notation form. Now number D. So number D first. So there is 3 square whole power 3. It's getting power of the power. So those powers will get multiplied. So 3 power 2 into 3, you get there 3 power 6. Is it? And in number second, right? So 2a cube whole power 5 is there. So 2 power 5 and a power 3 into 5. Is it? So 2 power 5 and a power 15 you get. Is it? And the last one is there, is it? So 2, the last one third number, so there is 2 x plus y whole power 4 and its whole power is 7. One small mistake upon, so this packet is it. So 2 power 7 and x plus y whole power 4 into 7, since there is power of power. So 2 power 7 x plus y whole power 7 4 28. So we're done with number 8. Now we go with number 9. So let's clear it. Okay, so number 8 is done. Now I'm going with number 9. Okay, so what's here in number 9? Let's see. Okay, so here we are say to simplify like each of the following by removing the negative indices and the radical sign. So negative power also we have to remove, and if there is a radical sign, that also we have to remove. Alright, so let's go with a number 1. So what's here? X power minus 3 whole power minus 4, right? So it's power of the powers. The powers will get multiplied. So minus 3 into minus 4 you get there, is it? So through that we get there x power minus minus multiplies and plus will become, and 3 and 4 multiplies 12 will become, is it? So first number done. Now in the second number there is x power minus 2, y power 3 and z power 0, so whole power minus 1. So it's power of the power. So for all three terms, x power minus 2, y power 3 and z power 0, that power minus 1 applies to get multiplied. So x power minus 2 into minus 1, y power 3 into minus 1 and z power 0 into minus 1. So you get there minus 2 into 1 minus 1 positive 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 and 0 into minus 1 0, is it? And then you get there x square into y power minus 3, that you make a reciprocal, and 1 by y power 3 you get, and z power 0 is 1, sorry 1, and 0 I wrote. So here x square divided by y cube you get, so that's it, is it? So it's of number second. Now in number 3 what's there, is it? X power minus 2, y power 5 and whole divided by x power minus 3, y power minus 2, is it? So let's remove the negative power first by changing their position between numerator and denominator, is it? So x power minus 2 you see above, so bring it down. X power minus 3 you see down, so bring above. Y power 5 as it is above, and y power minus 2 you see down, so bring it above. Right, so it will turn now, is it? X are getting divided, is it? Here this x are getting divided, so power will get subtracted, 3 minus 2 you get, and y are getting multiplied, so their power will get added. So this will give you x power 1 and y power 7 as the answer for this third number. Now I go with number B. Let's clear it first. So number B we are doing, is it? So in number B there is it? So let's see what do we have in number B. Okay, so let's go with first number first, is it? So B number first there is square root of 16 whole power minus 3 divided by 2, is it? So so square root 16 you remove it, or square root of 16 you write 4, so it's your wish. So I'll go with the easy way. Square root of 16 is 4 and power is minus 3 by 2, and now 4 you turn to square whole power minus 3 by 2. Now it's turning power of the power, is it? So 2 into minus 3 by 2 you have to do, then you can get 2 cancel, so you get there 2 power minus 3, and then existing their negative power, so we remove it by bringing down, is it? So it's 1 by 2 cube, that is 2 cube is 8, is it? So its answer is 1 by 8. Now I go with number second for this number. So in the number second there is square root 2 whole power minus 3 into square root whole power minus 3 again, is it? So here both are being negative 3, is it? So the rule which I mentioned, this we can apply, is it? So there it's reverse of it, a power m into b power m. If we get, then ab whole power m you can do this thing, a power m and b power m. So you can write down ab whole power m, is it? So what you can do here is minus 3, both power are same, so let's get the base kept together by multiplying and keeping same power, and minus root 2 into root 2 you get there root 4, is it? And whole power minus 3, and root 4 square root 4 is 2 power minus 3, so negative power came there. Now we remove it, so 1 by 2 cube, right, and 1 by 8 you get. This is number second. Now we go with number 3. So in number 3 there is cube root of 27 into 4th root of 81, is it? So individually we'll deal with. So 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, is it? And 4th root of 81, 81 is multiplying 3 with the 3 4 times, is it? So for same number or same variable multiplied for 3 times, if cube root is there, so single value we take, that is 3. And here also next one, 4th root is there and it's getting multiplied 4 times inside of the 4th root with the same number, so it will be again 3. So 3 into 3, that is 9, right? Now I go with number C. And in the number C over there, in first number, there is square root of x power 4 and y power minus 2. Right? So we will apply here another rule. Alright, that rule is here this way. See, so x power m and root power n is there, right? So it will become here x power m divided by n. So this rule we have to implement here, right? So let's see how we do. So first I will remove here negative power inside the root. So square root of x power 4 by y power 2 you can write. Negative power we bring down for turning it positive, is it? And after that, is it? So square root. So x power 4 divided by 2 we have to write. Right? Square root mean invisibly there is what? 2 power. 2 power, is it? And same we do for y. So y power 2 by 2 we get, and this will give you x squared by y. So it's of the first number. And now we go with the second number. Okay, so let's see what do we have in second. So in the second number there is square root of x power 4 and into cube root of xy square and cube root of x square y, is it? So how we deal with C. So square root of x power 4, let's deal with this first term inside of square root. So there you have to write x power 4 by 2, is it? So because there is square root, and into, now these both are the cube roots, right? So let's group them, is it? So both are cube roots, so xy square and x square y, let's keep inside the same root. It's not only for the whole number power, it's for root also it applies, right? And now x square root is there and cube root, and here x into x square, is it? X into x square, we get there x cube, or you can write x into x into x, is it? And y square into y, that we get there y into y into y, is it? So this way we get what here? Square root of x square is single x, and square cube root of 3 same x, is it? So that is x, and cube root of same 3 y. For their product we can write single y. So this will give you x square into y. So we're done with number second, and now we go with number 3, right? Now that of the number 3, so there is x power minus 3 by 2 divided by y power minus 3 by 2 and whole power 6, is it? So what you do here is so first we write by using the over sign. So x power minus 3 by 2 over y power minus 3 by 2, is it? And whole power there is 6, is it? And for this what you do, that negative power let's remove first. So above you see x power minus 3 by 2, so let's bring it down, and y power minus 3 by 2 you see below, so bring it above, and whole power 6 you write, and it's getting what? Power of the power, is it? So for this let's get multiplied. So 3 by 2 into 6 we do, and below there is x power 3 by 2 whole power 6, so that also we get multiplied, right? So this is going to give you 2 3 is 6, here 2 3 is 6, is it? So y power 3 into 3 you get above, and below you get there also x power 3 into 3, so it will give you y power 9 by x power 9, is it? So up to 9 number I have to learn, and after that there are remaining 10 11 numbers, is it? So for those numbers I'll be making another video, so you'll be learning those remaining numbers in the next video after this. So up to here you have watched, and I hope you have understood up to these numbers from 1 to 9. Thank you for watching, and keep supporting, and please like, share, subscribe, and please keep some comments over there. It will be great help to get motivated for me. Thank you everyone.